Okay guys, here we are again, sat in a nice warm car, another new product. So the original gear knob, it's very nice, but these chrome bits around the edge are a little bit annoying, so we've found a solution for that, and here we have. So there you can see, genuine carbon, again, dead thin. It's like scarily thin, that it's flexible. So you can see that's going to fit on there. Now we've had a mess with these and I advise you to do the same thing. So basically the 3M tape on it either side, and it's going to cup together like this. Now obviously this line here is going to be your focal point down the back there. So obviously on that seam there is, as you can see there, when you're sat in the car you look down, it's the first thing you see. Obviously that's why we're going to concentrate. So I've had a quick fit of these off camera, and what I've realised to do is, if it's clear enough, so that top edge there, we're going to get that absolutely spot on so you can't feel a ridge on there, and hold it together like that, and you can see it fits quite well. So as of that point there, I'm going to click in the bottom underneath here, basically on either side, and I've just pulled them bits in there while keeping this bit flat. And you can see, well, you can't see because it's quite dark, it's all sort of going together nicely now. Only at that point then am I going to pull it over them top bits there. So obviously it's not going to stick in the wrong place down this edge where you want the visual thing. If it's not perfect there or there behind there, it's not going to be as prominent as it is here. So like I say, do follow that procedure. Don't just think, oh, here we go, let's whack this one on here, there we go, that's glued in. Oh no, this one won't fit. Oh, KillAllChrome have sent me the wrong item. What am I going to do now, because it doesn't clip together? Like I say, if you follow this procedure and have a mess with it first, we do this on all our stuff. So just take that one back off again. So like I say, we'll go over it again, because like I say, I tried just putting them together like that, and then I couldn't move this one round it. It was just like, it's not going. But I did it this way. So they fit that well, they almost click on, as you can see. I've not even taken the tape off these yet. So they actually do lock into this recess there. So like I say, start again, go up, both at the same time. Like I say, just touch them together. It's not glued or anything, it's sort of like, you know, like wings almost. So I've got them in and get that lined up. Follow that with your thumb, and it's more of a feel than anything. You can feel if it's level just by. So once you've got them together nicely like that, like I say, hold it there and then just pull those over the top, and that will obviously be glued. Then you can see, well, it's not that easy, I'll just get my torch. So you can see there, that join line is bang on. So it is a case of the way that you fit them opposed to whether it's made right. So once that's all glued down, you'll see there, I'm just trying to hold it while I show you before we commit. So all the lines there, I'm pretty picky, and that is good. Like I say, for two handmade carbon things, it's really good. Right, so we'll go ahead, usual scenario, we're going to clean all this with alcohol wipe and everything. We're going to warm up the tape. Obviously the warmer it is, the stickier it is on these, and obviously we want it to last. So we'll get on with that now, and we'll come back to you with a final fit. Okay guys, so there you can see, nice. Do you know what, right, I wish we'd have done this before. Look how nice that looks now as standard. But anyway, we'll get on to this. So it's all nice and clean. I've taken the backing off both of these, so obviously not sat there while I'm trying to peel them off awkwardly, and then obviously it's just a matter of case of going down again now. So like I said first time, I'll try a bit of light. Like I said first time, I'm just going to put them both in lightly, and you can see there's a stitch line right down the middle, so that's what we're pretty much aiming to join on them there. So obviously once you've got that in, keep that level. Obviously now it's going to be a little bit more sticky, so we've got to be careful. So obviously they're joined together. Let's just slid there. So obviously the bottom bit now, so I'm doing the bottom basically around here, and I'm pressing on quite hard while I join them together, because I want them to stick perfectly there. So that's all together, that bottom bit's lined up. So once you've got all them in and you think you're right, like I say, these bits here are going to just tab over there, you'll see them both click over, and there you go. then this doesn't move. All it is doing is them are going in where they should be. Obviously if you stuck these first and it weren't lined up here, you could end up with a gap at the bottom there. So I'll just get my torch again and we'll go over it. So although there's a join, there's no physical edge, if that makes sense. It all joins around there and it fits perfectly to that line. So obviously all around there, you can see from each side, looks, it's really 3D carbon. This one looks awesome. Okay guys, there it is, all nicely fitted. So if you need any information on these or you want to chat about it, you can give us a call, or you can look at them on the website www.KillAllChrome.co.uk. Thanks for watching the videos. There's always new products coming, so keep an eye out on the channel, and we appreciate all the followings. Thank you.